Hey, car enthusiasts! Welcome back to Cars View channel, your go-to spot for the latest and greatest in automotive innovation. Today, we're diving headfirst into a game-changer, the 2025 BMW i8M. Yes, BMW has taken its futuristic i8 and given it the legendary M treatment. Buckle up because this is a ride you don't want to miss. The first thing that grabs your attention is the i8M's design. BMW has managed to blend elegance and aggression into one jaw-dropping package. Check out this aerodynamic silhouette. It screams supercar, but with an eco-friendly twist. The signature kidney grille is now completely closed, a nod to its electric heart, while these razor-thin laser headlights look like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. And don't get me started on those butterfly doors. They're iconic. Step inside, and the i8M takes you to another dimension. The interior is all about fusing luxury with cutting-edge technology. This curved OLED display stretches across the dash, seamlessly integrating navigation, performance data, and even a customizable driving interface. And just look at this ambient lighting, it's like driving inside a spaceship. Now, let's talk performance. The 2025 BMW i8M is powered by a dual-motor hybrid system paired with a next-gen 2.0L turbocharged engine. Together, they deliver a combined 600 horsepower. 0 to 60? Just 3.5 seconds. And thanks to its advanced torque vectoring and adaptive M suspension, the i8M feels glued to the road. Plus, it offers a 50-mile all-electric range for your city drives. A supercar that's also eco-conscious. How cool is that? The 2025 BMW i8M isn't just a car, it's a statement. It's proof that performance, luxury, and sustainability can coexist in one incredible package. What do you think? Is the i8M the ultimate hybrid supercar of our time? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more epic car content. Until next time, drive safe and dream big.